provide a more lasting, enduring solution. By the way, the date might be May 22nd or 21st. 21st. Forgive me for that. Last question, if I may.
Off topic, if you would comment on the recent rise in anti-Semitic acts that we're seeing in this country, and what you would
Well, let me say this, and I will not limit it, if I may, to anti-Semitism, but rather ideologies of hate. We in the Department of Homeland Security, along with our partners in state, federal, local, tribal, territorial governments, are profoundly concerned about the threat that violent extremism poses to our homeland, to the American people, and to our values. And that is why that is one of the most urgent priorities that we in the Department of Homeland Security are executing on.
Thank you so
all
much.
so very much. Thank you.
Sorry, can I get you guys to step back? Step back.